You know, say every Saturday for this Lagos, they marry one understanding girlfriend. And I can't settle for less, and then they do a Shebi. Can't settle for less. When I go cry, go bust me for my face. No, bro. No. And one thing I like about big men is this, my guy. Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, help me appreciate this man, Ike Leeds. Abemona, help me appreciate him. Help me appreciate him. Get why? Then plenty, I go to do one. Jacob Dynasty, all this one, they really like healing. Then you do. Then try for me. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, nearly faint. I know say one thing with big men, if they annoy you, know if you delete their number. Because they believe say they go still help you later. Bro, no, to be big man good on a swag. If they don't want to do that thing, no matter any hello sir, when you type, they know they answer you. Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Good night, sir. Now once you enter their mind, they do. If you go see big man now, they're saying they sleep. You go say, Oga don't to work hard, you need rest. Once na poor man, they're saying they sleep. You say, this one never ready to make him for life. What think poor man do us? You call big man phone like this 2 times, he ring, you know, pick. Say, no, Oga no, they like me, then they call him 3 times. So, I call him this to leave him, I'm going to call you back when he need you. Call poor man, man, no pick. He can come back and explain. Brother, I've been they charge my phone. You're not serious in this life. You know you're getting reason to miss call. No, poverty in a bastard. Poverty is a sin, my sister. You know say at this bros table nowadays, for example, maybe now bros car they won't carry come. Maybe bros come, no, this man then get money now. Bros come carry 2 poor boys when they help. You know, so as bros there, you go to enjoy the show. You go to look only the show. The boys go to watch the show, they watch the bros. Because anything will make you come on, they don't strand. If you want to go peace, then go follow. Big man life too sweet, baba. No. Poverty in a bad thing. Poor people need even feel enjoy hotel. No, sir, this big man they now. A guy killed his video just lodge. Or then Jacob Dynasty just lodge. Just feel like to take drink, then go your call. 2 more waits, please. You just wake up, you say, you look mirror, need to shave. You go to the hotel, go shave 15,000 just to shave. Poor boy. As he wake up, even if you carry baby, once the girl say I'm thirsty, he dey trek go outside, go buy water. See, buy water, come back. Before they give the girl, they say, I'm feeling hungry. He go meet security. I bet we have to get a restaurant around here. And you lodge. He go walk, go restaurant, he go buy food, he go come back. Before they go 3 message, check out time, not reach. As he come out, they say, Baba, you need to renew. I don't know, bro. Poverty na create na no. He say what? It's a big sin, my sister. Don't test them. Now why your voice loud? That's you. By the way, that's my very good friend. The closest female friend I guess. I be that. Everybody will suspect me and that, but man, she's a very good girl. Work hard for her money. Kelly White. Correct girl. I see you.
I tell the Nigeria don't go. We don't know who they bother. Everybody na sex. My young would day. IBB confess. They donate give him. He confessed that Abiola win the election. That's my confession. Because he confessed, they go beat him. IBB confessed that they donate money, billions of naira. Do you know they give IBB 17 billion for book where you know how many books I don't read? I they owe 17 million. They give IBB 17 billion. When I hear the money they give IBB, I get high BP. Oh no, Nigeria don't spoil. Nobody is not even talking about all this now just sex. If only we can keep our blockers, then we can focus, see what they block us. Oh, now people just move up. Now social media. Do you know my biggest problem now as I speak? That's my biggest problem now. Be say my pikin and get fan. My first son. For now, we have everything for YouTube. My pikin leave everything for you to go fall in love with Gege. Do you know how long you convinced me to? How long you took me to convince that boy? Say, "Oh, boy, na battle." Because he said that I they do like that? I said, "Barrow no work. What did they do?" I carry my pikin dey go school in the morning. They just meter break they just resume. I dey my pikin dey from side. I carry my pikin dey go school. My pikin get mind. They tell me say, "Daddy, are you sure this is not a financial mistake?" They tell me. My pikin dey talk. I told the child wan convince my pikin. Say school is. I say, "Shh, Adano is the last word of a fool." So make I return and go. Everything na sex. Do you know that you can post job opportunity now for WhatsApp? Nobody go even message you. Post job, post market, secretly like they post job, nobody the message. But just post big nyash. Baba Alpha, me test that nyash now. Me want test nyash. Just hold on, I don't post. Now so I don't post one of my classmates where don't die. Post am for WhatsApp, the girl get big nyash. Now one of my guys don't message me, Baba, may they still pass me nyash now. I said, bro, you know RIP. Say, I met me no first. When you say that the abbreviation of the girl name. Now I say this particular rest mean now rest in peace. You don't die, let her rest in peace. Leave this guy alone. That guy said my deepest condolences. 2 minutes later, that guy messaged me again. Bro, how far? I feel to get the number in case person die tomorrow. Hold on, everything about sex. Sex don't spoil it. Even this social media thing now sex saga and if not be I wish everybody keep their prick. This social media saga where they happen for no happen. You know people don't let the talk say what did D1 see for very dark man body. D1 say one discipline very dark man. Actually nobody say one discipline very dark man. When D1 enter Big Brother, you don't say that the Uber man will carry and go back. As he just come, they say D1 take your load and return. As he one book, now the man say at the outside. Hold on, as D1 enter, so that voice when they say D1, that one say pack your load and leave the house. You know say they know they see the voice. So D1 then you don't that you don't depend, you don't cram that voice, don't find that person since. So this is Big Brother, that voice. So when very that man call because say, all right. Now D1 say he's the one. You know that like that same voice. And you know say now they accuse everybody because the darkest side of a man and when they accuse say they sleep with another man. What if the man is not the one? Even our guy, they accuse him. Say before he feature the girl for skit, he will carry the girl go hotel, carry the girl like that and say, "Unde do." You understand? They accuse the guy. But at the end of the day, all these guys they might be innocent because social media matter are two-faced. Hold on. Social media matter are two-faced. So if you want to know the truth about social media, the best person to ask is Zik Saloma because he knows it all.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.